Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 2nd, chapter number 2, addition part 5. Students, as in the earlier parts we studied addition. Now you all are aware with addition. So moving further, let us start with some word problems. Here, some story sums are there. You can see some questions here. You have to find the answer of these questions. So, let us begin, students. Students, here you will make boxes so that you can add properly. Can you see how I have made these boxes? So likewise, you have to make all these boxes with the help of scale. Got it, students? So let us begin story sums in the library. Now question number A is already solved, but for understanding, let us see what question A says. There were 36 Hindi storybooks on one shelf and 22 English storybooks on another. How many storybooks were there in all? So, on one shelf there were 36 storybooks, Hindi storybooks, and on another there were 22 English storybooks. So, how many storybooks were there in all? For that, we need to add 36 and 22 together. So, students, you have to write here 36 plus 22. Remember, when you are writing, write the numbers properly according to their place value. Now, we have to add, first we will add ones. So at the place of ones, 6 and 2 are there, so you need to add 6 and 2 together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2. You can count them together, or 6 is already counted and it is bigger number, so you have to count forward 2 times. So 6, what comes after 6? 7 and 8. So you need to write here 8. And now add the tens. At the place of tens, 3 and 2 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 3, 4 and 5. So what is the answer here? 58. So you need to write here, there were 58 storybooks in all. Got it, students? So next, B. Rishi borrowed a book on September 12th. He had to return it 14 days later. On which date did Rishi have to return the book? So, when did Rishi borrowed book? On 12th September. On 12th September. So, first you will write here 12. So, write students 12, and then you have to add. This is the sign of plus, that is addition. He had to return it 14 days later. How many days later? 14 days later. So you will write here 14. So on which date did Rishi have to return? For that we need to add 12 and 14 together. So first add the ones. So at the place of ones, 2 and 4 are there. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the bigger number. So what comes after 4? 5 and 6. So you will write here 6. Got it, students? Then add the tens. 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So what is our answer? 26. So our answer is 26. You will write here in this blank, Rishi has to return the book on 26th September. See students, in the question it is written, on which date did Rishi have to return the book? So we have to write the answer like this only. So Rishi has to return the book on 26th September because he borrowed it on 12th September. Got it, students? Next, C. On Monday, Preeti read 23 pages. On Tuesday, she read 20 more pages than she had read on Monday. How many pages did Preeti read on Tuesday? So on Monday she is reading how many pages? 23. And on Tuesday 20 more than 23, that is 23 plus 20 because she is reading 20 more pages than she had read on Monday, that is 23. So how many pages did Preeti read on Tuesday? So we need to add 23 and 20 together. Got it, students? So first you will write 23 and then plus. Don't forget to write the plus sign. Okay, students? 23 plus 20. Got it, students? Now add the ones first. So at the place of ones, 3 and 0 are there. Students, do you remember? Whenever 0 is added to any number, the answer is a number itself. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3 only. So you will write here 3. Got it, students? Now add the tens. 2 plus 2. What is the double of 2? 4. So you will write here 4. Or else you can count also 1, 2, 1, 2. So 2, 3 and 4. So our answer is 43. Got it, students? So in this answer you will write Preeti read 43 pages on Tuesday. Got it, students? Moving further, D. Arjun borrowed some books from the library. He read the first book in 11 days, the second book in 13 days, and the third book in 15 days. Students, here you have to make 3 columns as we have to add 3 numbers, that is 11, 13 and 15. Got it, students? How many days did it take him to read all the books? So he read the first book in 11 days. How many days? 11. Second book in 13 days. And the third book in 15 days. So for finding how many days did it take him to read all the books, we need to add 11, 13 and 15 together. So let's add. First you will write 11, then you will write 13 and then you will write 15. Got it, students? Now you have to add the ones. So 1, then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which is the bigger number here? 5. So what comes after 5? 6, 7, 8, and then 9. So when we add the ones, we get answer 9. So right here 9. And then we have to add tens. So at the place of tens, 1, 1 and 1 are there. So we need to add them together. So 1, 2 and 3. So what is our answer? 39. So you will write here, he took 39 days to read all the books. He took 39 days to read all the books. Got it, students? Moving further, E. Apurva found some information on page 75 of an encyclopedia. There were 8 more pages of information. Up to what page number did Apurva need to read? So now Apurva found some information on page number 75, and then 8 more pages of informations were there. So up to what page number did he need to read? So for that we need to add 75 and 8 together. So first you will write here 75 and then you will write 8. Remember 8 is a single digit, so you will write it in ones column. Now add them together. So first we will add ones column. So at the place of ones, 5 and 8 are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now here 8 is the bigger number. What comes after 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is our answer? 13. Now 13 can be regrouped as 1, 10 and 3 ones. So at the place of ones we will write 3. What we will write? 3. And this one will be carried to the tens column. It will be carried to the tens column. Now we have to add the tens. So here at the tens column only 7 is there. But students, this one is also carried to the tens column. So don't forget to add the carried one. So 7 and we have to add one more. So whenever 1 is added to any number, the answer is the number after. So 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1. What comes after 7? 8. So what is the answer here? 8. So our answer is 83. Our answer is 83. So here in the answer you will write Apurva need to read up to 83 page number. Apurva need to read up to 83 page number. Got it, students? So complete this in your textbook. First you will make boxes like this so that you can add the numbers properly. Then you have to write here, you have to add here, and then you also have to write here. In the answer you have to write statements like this. Got it, students?